Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Angel Luis and thank you for tuning in today. If this is your first time visiting the channel, what we do here is give you in-hand detailed looks at sneakers ranging from sold out heat to general releases still sitting on shelves. If that is something you are interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are in tune when we do drop new content. Today we have the Jordan 4 in collaboration with Union LA on the NOIR colorway. These were initially released August 29th alongside the Jordan 4 in the Guava colorways, the Delta Mids, and the Zoom 92s. The Guavas were the only ones exclusive to the Union LA drop on August 29th. The other three silhouettes will be re-releasing on October 16th, as of this video at least, via the Sneakers app. So for you guys who did not get an opportunity to get these shoes, you will have another chance coming up. But enough of that, let's go ahead and take a deeper look into the sneakers.
My mama home praying is a comfort for me. I'm fighting every day to be the man I wanted to be. They say the devil won't be happy, yet he coming for me. I give him hell before they put me in heaven. I wanted Chevy Chevelle ever since I was like 7. So I'm stepping with my best and I'm attending to attain not just the earthly goods, I'm talking heavenly things. That's on my everything. I won't let it steal my soul. Tell my people I'm feeling confident than ever before. That's the real. It's been days chasing days now. Jesus slide. What a pro stone. Can't see my face now. Papa say the hold on. Living out of suitcase, I'm on the road now. Living out of suitcase, I'm on the road now. It's a lot up on my mind, I need to slow it down. It's a lot up on my mind, I need to slow it down. Coming through your city for a good time. Pray to God we make it, it'll be alright. Be alright.
Questioning my motives for arriving in this moment. What is it worth to gain the world and lose your soul? I'm on the road, but did I ever even own it? All I know is I ain't knowing. Feeling like a man without a place to lay my head, or I bury it in the sand. Am I too close to the ledge? Am I too close to the dead that I'm becoming them instead? Doing my part to resurrect and intersect with heaven. Feeling the earth's breath. This is the worst yet. No, I'm not perfect, but why am I here with you while my son is taking his first steps? Wife say I feel distant cause of the distance, and I just wanna be a man full of commitment, sole provider in a void, any resentment. If I'm not the change I wanna see, I can't make a difference.
Days chasing days now. Jesus slide. Papa was a pro stone. Can't see my face now. Papa say the hold on. Living out of suitcase, I'm on the road now. Living out of suitcase, I'm on the road now. It's a lot up on my mind, I need to slow it down. It's a lot up on my mind, I need to slow it down. Coming through your city for a good time. Pray to God we make it, it'll be alright. Be alright.
Take it how you wanna take it, you know I can fake it. I'm just a rustic couch potato, bring it home to bacon. Whenever I am on the road, it's hard to practice patience until I go toe to toe with the show, and that's motivation. When I meet a person after that, like, yo, we glad you're here. I'm like, that's nice to know, but you were unaware of the fear that I carry in my heart, that I would miss at least a part of wife and kids. Man, I feel like Joan of Arc. You see, my wife think I'm turning up, but inside I'm burning up. At the stake, I'm bringing home the steak, and this is no mistake. But I can't even sit and eat the meat that I done freaking slayed, and I just wanna lick the plate. I'm telling you, it's no debate. I swear your boy is underpaid, and they want me to pay dues. I'd rather pay attention to family than to pay fools. I say to anybody who think they want this life, you gotta know the toll it takes, and don't forget to pay your tolls, and then to pump your brakes and change your oil, get some gas. Cause you don't know how long this vehicle gon' last. This vehicle could crash and everybody die. Cause the bus driver decided it was time to get high. Now look, we here on the road. And it's all about getting home. And it's all about having fun. But it's all about getting grown. And it's all about being out and about. Turning all of your thoughts to routes. Taking all your experiences and turning them into a song.
Days chasing days now.